and gentlemen, here in front of me are the young generations of Somaliland across the country, from east to west, thirst for their rights and justice. We are not looking for something different. We already got our independence in 1960 from UK. But we willingly, without any pressure, we joined with Somalia for a single purpose. That was to create Greater Somalia, which was broken into 5 parts that time. It was unsuccessful story. But unfortunately, what added to that, what is more than that, what our brothers in the west, in the south did, the complete destruction of Somaliland was the result of the union. Now we are not looking for more than that. We regained our independence. It is in the hands of this youth in front of me. We are not begging for something different. It is we just returned back our independence, which we lost and which we inherited destruction from it. That we thank the government of UK and specifically Mr. David Williamson and his colleagues who daring to debate the cause of Somaliland, the cause of these young children who are unfortunately placed in unnecessary disaster. Thank you very much.